All right, this is the brand new iPhone 17. And yes, this is also a pretty cool device that's got some very major upgrades this year. First of all, it comes in five colors. We have sage right here in my hand, and then we also have lavender, we have less blue, we've got white, and then we also have a black color. Now, we do have the dual 48 megapixel fusion cameras at the back, which is very nice, solid and clear. Of course, the action button is still there. This is a 6.3-inch device in terms of display, but this is also a ProMotion display, 120 hertz. So, of course, we now have faster refresh rate on the iPhone, the base iPhone, the iPhone 17. This also goes up to 3,000 nits max brightness externally. So, Apple's really revamped and bumped this device up. You can see it there. It's nice and comfortable. So anyone's looking for a smaller size device, this is it. It also has the A19 chipset in here. Also, Apple talks about faster wire charging on this device. Didn't state what it is, but I do like the fact that that's there, and I do appreciate that. Looks really good overall. You can look at those cameras. We do, of course, have the dual 48 megapixel cameras in the back, but the front-facing camera has been upgraded. 18 megapixels. You can see me right here. We've got that center stage camera, and look at that. We can go landscape on the front facing camera, which is nice, pretty cool. Recording this on my iPhone. I'm actually using my Holyland mic, which is why it is crystal clear, guys. Just want to give a heads up to them on that one. But it looks pretty cool. We'll have to see how it functions and how it operates, but I kind of like what I see here with the iPhone 17.